Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall skilla. Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is Dancehall skilla. I'm there again with some more things to talk to you about. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Alright, now first things first. I'm going to present a video to you that's going to show when a man found and break a container. Now, according to some comments that I saw on social media and according to some things that I saw and heard in the video, I got the understanding that some persons believe that the thing that the man found was containing materials that was used for witchcraft. Some Jamaicans might say Obeah. See? And some of the comments on social media gave me the understanding that some persons believe that whatever the man found was containing a ghost. Some people might say spirit. Some Jamaicans might say duppy. You see? Now, I didn't get any confirmed information as to exactly where and when the video had been recorded, viewers and subscribers. The video shows that the man was using a tool to dig a hole at a building that is located somewhere out there in the world. See? And I want you to please bear in mind that in the video, you can hear persons yelling and shouting when the man found the thing that was containing certain thing or things. That's what I say, right? And I would like you to take a look at this video and tell me if you think whatever the man found contained the materials that was used for witchcraft. You can also tell me if you think whatever the man found was containing a ghost or a duppy, as some Jamaicans might say. Yes, I say. Yeah, anyways, some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Here is the video. Take a look, listen, observe. Tell me what you think. Switch back to the people. Momoyambe. Omwana badde wakufa yadde ekipa Baba walijaribu. Negative. a lip one still in. Go on inside.
What we do? Nange mubi weddeyo mutunulire byebiri awo kati.
The people, them thing are really and truly. And I real, my people, them thing are really and truly just have my brain so just I think. Me I say, yo, what could have caused that? Sometimes when I see some videos like them of your subscribers, me I think, I say to myself, say, yo, I wonder if that real. I wonder if I pretend. Hey, but the thing about it is, why whatsoever the man found was at a doorway at a building? Where that coming like now? No, you tell me, where that coming like, my people? Oh, sir, I tell you, Jano, but they want to jump to the conclusion. This is me I say, but Jano, that look away. Why whatsoever the man find or found, me say, was at the doorway of a building? Some people, tell me what you think. Tell me if you think whatsoever was contained in whatsoever the man found have anything to do with witchcraft or Obeah. You can tell me if you think whatsoever the man found was containing a spirit or a ghost. Some Jamaicans might set up it. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I got information that the citizens within the island that is known as Sri Lanka demonstrated and protested and are calling for the resignation of the president of Sri Lanka, who goes by the name of Gotabaya Rajapaksa. See? I only hope I get the pronunciation of his name right. You see? So, I read a news article that gave me the understanding that the citizens within Sri Lanka demonstrated and protested because of the island's worst economic crisis in history. See? The news article said that on Monday, that would be the 9th of May, the year 2022, the president's brother, who goes by the name of Mahinda Rajapaksa, stepped down as prime minister. It is said that he had done so because of violent street clashes, and he's trying to see if he could bring some form of calm to the situation. However, his resignation failed to bring calm to the situation, and violence continued overnight of your subscribers. Now, the news article said that he stepped down on Monday. That would be the 9th of May, the year 2022. See? Now, the news article said that on Tuesday, that would be the 10th of May, the year 2022, the government ordered troops to open fire on anyone looting public property or causing harm to life. You hear that, my people? They hear that. See? So that's how bad the situation got or get, as well some persons might say. You see me I say? Yeah, it is said that tens of thousands of Army, Navy, and Air Force personnel were deployed to patrol the streets of the capital for Sri Lanka. That goes by the name of Colombo. That's the capital of Sri Lanka, Colombo. Anyway, so it is said that despite the presence of security forces, viewers and subscribers, The city's top police officer was assaulted on Tuesday afternoon by a mob, causing him to not doing enough to protect peaceful protesters. And I mean, so the news article says so. You understand? See? Now, the news article said that the police said that 8 people have died, and the capital's main hospital says more than 200 people have been wounded since Monday. See? So, other information that I got is that there was some form of riot that was going on overnight. That's between Monday to Tuesday. In the night part though, see? Yeah, so the news article said that evidence of last night's rioting is everywhere across Colombo. Buses thrown into the lake, others with windows smashed out and tires still burning. That the news article said, viewers and subscribers, my people. So I say, so you see, all them things are really and truly get bad in my point of view. You see it? It is said that buses had been set on fire due to riots within Sri Lanka overnight, now viewers and subscribers. You see it? And it is said that properties had been damaged due to riot within Sri Lanka. Houses that belongs to politicians from within Sri Lanka had been burned overnight. See? And a news article that I read said that crowds remain outside the office of the president and his brother, calling on him to quit. That means they want the president to step down, resign. New government they want, in my point of view. See? Yeah. So my people, so me do my research really and truly, and I get to understand say the price thing not normal when it comes down to certain things. You see what I say? See? My reason with someone that comes from the island that is known as Sri Lanka, see? And you know, the person speaks English, and the person tell me Dancehall skilla say like gas, like a pan of gas, the gas that Jamaicans use, like myself, to cook with, like cooking gas. Him said that cost like about I don't want to make no mistake, but me know him said something about way over 6,000 rupees. Yeah, because I saw for them dollars, for them money name. You see me? Rupees. We say dollars. Other countries might say pound or so and so. He said rupees. You see me? I say, and a real viewer and subscribers. That expensive, you see me I say? That expensive. You see? But it depends on the pan of gas we matter about still. You see? Because if I see a 30-pound gas like where we see some people use and I pay 3,000 how much dollars for it then. Well, when I really check it out, Jamaica only they're halfway there. So no way for say so. No, for real. But anyways, my people, just to make you know about the situation within Sri Lanka. You understand me? And you know, me the kind of person I like to bring information about situations worldwide sometimes. You understand? And only Jamaica alone me talk about. Alright? Anyways, yes, I'm gonna left it. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall skilla, and big up on yourself, you see.
Hey, my youth, you know where you watch?
Dancehall skilla.
Yeah, man. Hey, yo, skilla.